Good morning, everyone. How are we all doing today? It's another session of our daily technical analysis. And without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. So I said I want to take a trade yesterday, right here. Okay, I want to take a counter trend trade, and I did. And currently, it's minimally in profit. As a matter of fact, during the open of the London market yesterday, the market rose to this area. I was decently in profit, but right now we can see this pullback kind of happen. Okay, the regression is coming to the market right now. I don't know if this breakout is a fluke, so probably we're going to get a retest of this area, and then maybe we're going to get a rebound from it, or it's just going to tank, right? Those are the possibilities of this trade. However, I'm determined to stay in on this trade. It has potential. Okay, it has a very, very, very big potential, and you can see this is the 2-hour time frame. All right, I come to this time frame because it's more subtle, okay, and it moves easy. It's not far away from daily, and it's extremely close to 4 hours. So this is the kind of time frame that I kind of enter the market that gives me a little bit of peace of mind. Let me just put it that way. All right, so I like 2-hour time frame for that reason. So there's actually nothing much to talk about on gold for now because I'm already in a trade. But let me quickly explain. If you are thinking, oh, maybe I've missed a trade, I've done this and done that, okay, what can I do? So we have the market in this zone, okay? There is a possibility, all right, of breakout. Okay, excuse me, let me draw that again. We have the market in this zone right here. It's ranging inside this box. Okay, the fact that it's ranging inside this box doesn't mean we can't get it taken out. Okay. All right, that's one. The market can pierce through the old box, okay, do a pullback and then close me out in loss. And then we have this big range in our hands, all right, meaning that the market can continue to do like this, okay, continue like this. And it might stay decisively on this support area right here. And guys, if you know, let me see if I can make this support level bigger so we can all see what I'm talking about. Secondly, I would like to reduce this so we can all see the price very well as well. Okay, let me lock that. I don't want to delete it. It's very important. I'm going to delete as well. I'm going to delete this also so we can see the price very, very clearly. All right, I think that's better. So let's quickly go to the 8-hour time frame to see the market in an insight. Exactly. So as you can see right now, the market is still, the gold is still very much bullish. I mean, there is nothing anyone should tell you about gold that it is bearish. It is extremely bullish, and I explained why yesterday. All right. So currently, we're just going to go back to our 2-hour time frame to explain what I was trying to do the other time. So right here on 2 hours, let me quickly explain what I'm planning to explain initially. So now we have the market ranging right here after my entry. So there is a possibility of a break to the upside, okay? And then the market will bounce off to take in my profit. And I said I'm going to trade this profit because this take profit is too early and it's actually very small. That trade is around 1.5%. Okay, and I don't like take 1.5. I like something above 2.2%. All right. So this is an opportunity for someone that is not in the buy trade. Okay, you can actually enter a buy even inside the box. That's just an advice, not the financial one. My own personal opinion, anyways. Okay, you can take a buy right there. Okay, why? Because the market is still decisively above the zone. Okay. So you can take a buy there, it's fine, all right, because I'm already in the trade anyways. So now that's the first trade setup. The second one is, if peradventure we get a break below this area, a pullback, and then a continuation, all right, then this level has to hold up, okay, it has to. If it doesn't, then I might actually get broken. I might get closed out and lost. That's number one. I mean, that's number two, excuse me. If this play out, then that way will probably or definitely close me out in loss, and then we have this range. Okay, we have this range continues, and then the other part is you can take a buy trade from this area and target this area. Okay, we can see this level is still very much strong. Excuse me, let me draw that again. This level is very much strong. All right. And it is decisively staying above this intraday resistance. Okay. So if this actually happens to play out, I might even look into a buy trade myself. And also, if this happens to play out, I might look into a buy trade myself before we can say the market is bearish, or we can start looking for a short trade. No, even if it's going to be a short sell, all right, going to be a short sell, before we can start planning for that. Okay, I would really love to see the market break below this support. Okay, and that support is, so this is the support I'm talking about. Okay, right here, you can see this support. Okay, exactly. It's a key zone actually. There is a support. All right. So if the market has decided to come all the way down, okay, break it, pull back and resist it, okay, then we can start looking for what? A short trade all the way down to this place. So if I'm going to take a short trade, it's going to be here. All right. Nothing above here is going to tell me to take a short trade. Okay, I'm not going to do that. But if I'm going to take a short trade, it has to be down here. Okay. This place makes the whole thing make sense. The whole short trade makes sense because there's a lot of pressure. They're just taking a break, meaning that they just took a break here. Okay. And that would be something more consistent. Okay, this short trade will be more consistent than taking a short trade right from here. All right. Another place to take a short trade is probably around here. If you see a price action around this area, you can take a short trade probably down to this area. Okay, and then further. Okay, but for now, I'm taking a buy trade. Okay, I'm already in a buy trade, and I'm gonna stick to it for as long as possible, as long as the market is gonna have me. That's all. So let me take it back to the 1 hour just to show you what it looks like over there, and then I'm gonna be out of your head. So this is how it goes, and I walked you through why I entered the trade yesterday, because the market is actually back to break even anyways. All right. So I took a buy trade there. I was using my Fibonacci. As you can see right here, the market pulled back to 50% Fibonacci. Actually, it almost touched 61.8, and I took a buy trade at the candlestick that precedes that. Okay, the candlestick that precedes that. And the reason why I'm targeting the top right there, why is because this whole move hasn't been corrected. It has not been corrected yet. So I would personally love to see it getting corrected. Okay, at least to this zone. Okay, I would like to see it correct to this area. Okay, the 50% area. Okay, if I can get that, then I would really love to see. I would really love to take a sell trade there, a short trade there. Doesn't mean I'm gonna take it, but it's gonna be the first area I'll be targeting or I'll be gunning for if peradventure the market seems to be bearish, or the sellers are actually gonna tank the market, are gonna take control of the market. That place is gonna be the determinant of it, because that will be the first pullback for this short drop. Okay, for this very heavy drop in price, this area right here will be the first area of pullback. So if how the market reacts here, okay, how the market reacts here will determine what precedes gold. Okay, if the market got there and then start coming down, then we might be having a whole pullback on gold. And if the market touch there, break above it, range a little bit above it, okay, break above it, pull back, okay, do something like this, and then proceed then. So probably all these are just some dramatic and fundamentals move, okay, and we just have to, it's a fluky move, let me just say that. We just continue our buy, and then we keep buying for as long as possible. All right, sorry for all the terms I used today. All right, so that's all I have for you on go today. I'm gonna catch you tomorrow to give you update on this particular trade. I'm not gonna close it. I'm gonna leave it to either close me out back in a loss or give me the profit I'm anticipating for. All right, so that's the plan for today, guys. I'm gonna catch you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye.